Question 11. So, a good question this. So, basically, the probability of cracking an egg is 0.05. So, the probability of not cracking an egg is the rest, so that's 0.95. And n on this occasion is 6. So, find the probability in one box there are no cracked eggs. So, that's 0.95 to the power of 6, which is 0.735 to 3 sig figs. Now, in one box there is exactly one cracked egg, so that's 6 choose 1, 0.05 to the 1, 0.95 to the 5. Remember, 6 choose 1 is just 6, so popping that into your calculator, 0.232 to 3 sig figs. Now, part 3, this is really just going back to some quite difficult GCSE probability. Nothing to do with the binomial distribution. So, in order to get, I'm looking at the other bit, really, the bit that we don't want. So, the probability that the box is accepted. Either there are no cracked eggs in box 1, or there is one cracked egg in box 1 and then no cracked eggs in box 2. So let's consider each of these probabilities in turn. So the probability of no cracked eggs in box 1, well, that's what we worked out in part 1, 0.7351. Now, and then the second bit, we need to have one cracked egg in box 1, which we've just worked out in part 2, being 0.2321. And no cracked eggs in box 2, which again is our answer, 0.735. Now remember, where it's an and, we multiply. One cracked egg in box 1 and no cracked eggs in box 2, so 0.2321 times 0.7351. Now we want this one or this. This is both the probabilities of it being accepted, so we add these two probabilities together, giving us 0.9057. Now the question requires the probability the delivery is rejected, so that's 1 minus the probability that the box is accepted, so 1 minus 0.9057, which is 0.0943 to 3 sig figs.